Shrimp is a good source of protein. The cholesterol content of shrimp was once considered a concern. However, we now know that the cholesterol in food doesn't necessarily raise cholesterol levels in our body. Shrimp can be a healthy addition to a person's lifestyle because it is a good source of protein and is low in saturated fat. 3 ounces of shrimp has about 19 grams of protein. Shrimp should be eaten in moderation, especially if you have high cholesterol. Shrimp has high amounts of cholesterol. 3 ounces of shrimp contains 179 milligrams cholesterol. Shrimp should also be avoided if you have a shellfish allergy. Shrimp is a versatile, healthy, high-protein food option. Shrimp contains moderate amounts of vitamin B12 and selenium while also being low in saturated fat. The concentration of cholesterol in shrimp may present an issue for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those with already unhealthy lipid profiles, but only likely if consumed in excess and in the context of an already unhealthy dietary pattern. Individuals with an allergy to shellfish should avoid shrimp altogether. Long-term personal health partly depends on the ongoing health of the environment through sustainable action. Individuals concerned about consuming sustainable shrimp can look for the Blue Marine Stewardship Council (MSC) certified stamp on the label. When eaten without excess, shrimp is beneficial to health. Because it contains omega-3, is a source of protein, antioxidants, B vitamins, vitamin D and minerals like zinc, potassium and iodine, shrimp can promote health benefits. It helps lower cholesterol levels, improves cognitive ability, and protects the heart and nervous system. Shrimp are swimming crustaceans, with prawn are types of seafood that are consumed worldwide. Its consumption is healthy, but it must always be cooked, never raw. It is recommended to prefer ways of cooking on the grill or boiled and avoid frying.